good day, especially to you, Ma'am Queenie Ibanez. My speech is all about video games can increase motivation. Yes, video games can increase motivation in a number of ways, including teaching persistence. Video games can help people learn to be more persistent and to view mistakes as learner opportunity. Creating a reward environment. Video games can create a learning environment that rewards effort, which can motivate learners to stay engaged. Activating motivational system. Video games can activate core elements of the motivational system such as the desire to feel autonomous and component. Developing skills. Video games can help develop skills like spatial awareness, problem solving, and creativity. Improving mental health. Video games improve mental health and stimulate the mind, promoting social interaction. Online gaming can promote social interaction. Some common motivations for playing video games include competition, skillfulness, achieving, reasoning, creativity, socializing, relaxation, exploration. Gaming can increase individual gray matter in brain that the responsibility for muscle control from use of video games has increased exponentially worldwide, mainly among the youth population. The main objective of his article is to evaluate the consumption habits motivations of engineering students to play video games. To this end, an instrument to measure the use of video games and scale of motivation were administered to 633 students enrolled in different academic engineering programs at the Peruvian Public University. Video games have become one of the main options for entertainment and leisure activities among the population, and the subsequent industrialization of gaming have contributed to their growing expansion around the world. Their evolution is controversial, and for some even the world, their evolution is cultural industry has been created that present in different areas of human life.